Last 2 days, we solved an equation using a log. Now we're going to solve log equations. All right, I'm going to start out with the log. How do I solve these? And I'll be honest, I should probably get rid of these next year. But the first four can all be done in your calculator. All right, these new versions of the calculator already have log on them. All right, back 5-6 years ago, before these came out, you were never able to do, you had to do these problems the long way, and that's probably why I kept them on there. But if it says x equals log base 6 here of 216, we go to the calculator, log button again, alpha window, and you'll see choice 5. All right, never had those on there about 5 or 6 years ago on the calculator. So, and now you can just type in 6 for the subscript, 216 up top, and the calculator will just give you that. We had to find it a different way back in the old days. So x equals 3. For number 2, I just want to go over something real quick. Notice there's no subscript. Hey, notice there's no, here there was a 6, there's no subscript. If there's no subscript, you know what number is actually there? It's not a 1. 10. Okay, if it's not there, it's a 10, but you can also use now the log button to the right, the left of the 7 too. All right, you can hit that one if there's no subscript there. So log, get my fraction out, 1/10. And there you go, -1. And then I just want to make sure you guys know where everything is on the calculator. So now I got to go log alpha window for number 3. What's the base here? 2. Anybody? Cube root? Anybody remember how to put that up here?
Alpha window 6.
Okay, I could go alpha window again and choose number 6 and put a 3 there. There's also math. That will, choice number 4 already has the 3 there. So whether you do alpha window or under math, it's up to you. Get back there. What do I put underneath 4? Definitely don't want that, right? How do I change it back to a fraction? I don't want, even though it says nearest 100, I don't want a decimal. Just bring it back to a fraction for me. So math, choice 1, bring it back to a fraction, 2/3. And then one more where I can just use the calculator to help me. X equals ln. That's another type of log there. So ln right to the left of the number 4 on your calculator. All right, well, doubles there. ln, and remember where e was. I don't need to go over that again. Right above the division sign, raised to the 6th. 6. The ln and the e basically cancel each other out there. All right, that's great. Your calculator can do it. Now we have to do some work on our own. Ready? All right, number 5. I'm going to admit something right now. I have no idea how to solve that. No idea. In fact, I don't even know how to solve log equations. No idea. You know what I do know how to solve, though, and you do too from the last 4 days of class, is anything with an exponent. You know how to solve those. So here's what we're going to remember or review from last year. How do I turn a log into a base and an exponent? Anybody want to drop knowledge from last year's class? You have a log in front of you, and I want you to convert it to a base and an exponent. Anybody remember how to do that, bad boy? Good talk. It's fun. Nice and awkward. Okay, ready? Let's do it. What's the subscript there? 4. That's your base. Okay, that's the base. We're going to convert this into a base and an exponent right now. So there's your base. And then what's on the other side of the equal sign, in this case 3, that's your exponent. All right, that's your exponent. So now, ready? This is what it's going to look like. 4 raised to the 3rd. Look how I just converted that. We're not done yet, though. And then you're going to set it equal to what's left over? X. Whatever's left over there, that's what I set it equal to, so the X is left over. So that's it. Base raised to the exponent there. 4 to the third, and I think you guys can handle that, right? 64. So we got to convert it. Okay, and then it's up to you guys how you want to solve it afterwards. All right, 6. Now I'm going to start numbers here. How do I convert that to an x? Again, don't try to solve a log equation. Don't try to solve it. Convert it to exponents. Convert it to a base and an exponent. All right, here we go. Who's helping me out here? Get that back over there. Got 9 in the house. Hi, Aaron. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Unbelievable. All right, convert it for me.
X to the third.
X, A. And again, last time I do this, there's your base. Raised to the, sorry again?
To the third.
Third, there's your exponent.
Equals 125.
Yep, there you go. And now you're kind of on your own. But darn it, we've solved these for probably 4 days. What's your move?
Log it.
Log it. I don't want to go backwards here. Dylan? Okay, I could take the cube root. Yes, that would be totally fine, and you get the answer. I want to do it similar to how I showed you guys a couple days ago. Anybody remember how to get rid of an exponent? Like, what if that was 2/3? What would you do? You know, it's a 3. Remember what we did? We raised it to what? Yep, we took it and raised both sides to its reciprocal. So 1/3. Hey, champs. Yeah, I remember a few of you. Raise it to the 1/3. Don't multiply. Raise it. Again, Dylan said, hey, take the cube root at first. That's still going to work. What do we got there? 5? So you got to convert first, and then you're on your own on how to solve it. Convert it first. All right, let's go 7 here. Number 7. How do I convert that? How am I going to convert number 7? Again, don't try to solve a log. Convert it. What's your move? 14. Yep. 1. Hi, Amanda. Great job. Equals. Okay. And really, I shouldn't have much discussion here for you guys solving that. Okay. I think we should be good as long as you don't think 2 to the third is 6. Then we got an issue. All right, so we all got x equals 7. Great. 8. Anybody want to ask a question on 8 before I call on a number?
Would the base be 10?
Okay, great. Yes, the base will be 10. Good job. Not yet, though. I don't want to convert that yet. Think about all the stuff we've done. Radicals, absolute values. I've told you, don't do a darn thing unless what?
You get it.
Right? By itself. Is that by itself? No, so you can't convert it yet. What's got to get out of the way? Darn it, let's get it out of the way then. How do you get rid of it? Multiply it by 2, or you can divide both sides by 1/2. You guys are picking it up here. Good. Things have to be by itself before you do something tricky to it. So now log x plus 2 equals 4. And remember, Jared brought this up a minute ago. That base is 10, even though nothing's there. We say there's a base of 10 there. So knowing that, convert for me. 2. It's got 2. Alexis, go ahead. What do you got for me? Yep, 10 raised to the exponent 4 equals. You got it. Great work. Excuse me. Ooh, 10,000, huh, kids? That doesn't seem right. That's the answer. That's going to be my answer. You can always check it too, right? Store it in and see if you plug it in the left side and see if you get 2. 9,998. Ooh. Feeling good? And we're going to be done pretty darn quick here today. Oh, what was that? You missed factoring? You want to do some more? Oh, you got it. No problem. Here we go. Number 9. Convert for me first. Convert first. Don't try to be fancy. Convert. 8. 8. No 8s. Great. Talk to you guys here. 2. You're good, Alex. Let's hear somebody else. No offense. 7. You ready here?
Yeah.
All right. Don't screw this up.
2 to the power 2
Yeah.
equals x squared minus 9x plus 4.
There you go.
And then it
Whoa,
will
whoa, whoa, you're good. You're good. Stop showing off. All right. How many times have I asked this? Come on now. Regents review, day 1 and 2 of this unit. You're going to have to make sure one side equals 0, right? Come on now. So 0 equals, anybody getting nervous? A little sweating? 4s cancel each other out. What do I do to this? Oh boy. Oh boy. I do factor, yeah. I don't have a term though. Can't do the add to this, multiply to this game. Instead, come on, dig deep. Watch your mouth. No. If your number comes up. 11. Whoa, Jake. Hello.
X. What?
Hello.
Hi.
All right. Like some conversation once in a while. It doesn't have to be all business.
Yeah.
Difference of 2 perfect squares.
You never said hi.
It would be
What do you got to do?
you square the 9, so it would be x minus 3 and x plus 3.
I think drinking.
Not difference of 2 perfect. Hey, champ over here too. Just got off the lifeboat. X squared minus 9. That would be x plus 3, x minus 3. What do I beg you? You to always look for first.
Do you take out the x first?
Take out a GCF. Yes. Take out a GCF. X. Everybody good? Take out a GCF. I know I can see why you would say difference of 2 perfect squares, but 9x, not a perfect square. It's x squared minus 9 would be that. So what are you left with, Jake? X, I took out an x and I'm left with?
X and x minus 9.
Good work. Should get 2 answers here. 2 answers. 8. We don't have one, do we?
No.
13.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Unbelievable. 2 answers. I know 9. I'm pretty confident in my ability. 9.
Yes, because there's a 2x from in the thing.
You're good. Yep. So I should have 2 answers. Where's the other one?
And then be x equals 0.
If you take out a variable as a GCF, you have to set it equal to 0. Good. Good deal. I like it. All right. I'm going to need a stud here for this next one because there's a little something I'm nervous about. I need a stud to convert this for me. Who's got? Nobody's has 8. It's got 10.
Oh.
I'll take it. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I know you came in a little late, so it's all right. Converting.
2x.
Okay, ready? Go. Oh, hold on.
Squared.
Okay, everyone. Hey. When I write that, what is being squared? Just the x. What did you tell me to square, Nick?
2x.
So we better put that in parentheses, everyone. All right. If you write 2x squared, you are only squaring the x, and I need to square the whole subscript, which is 2x. All right, continue, boss.
3x.
Yeah, just rewrite the rest. Yeah, I don't need anything else fancy.
3x minus 2.
All right, there you go. Just with a little, hey, I got to square the whole thing. All right, 2x all squared. 2x all squared. What do we have there? 4x squared. Yeah, be confident, guys. Will you guys be confident? You just passed a month ago, one of the toughest regions high school has to offer. Be confident. All right, unpopular decision here. Sorry, deal with it. You get it equal to 0 now. We know that. I know the easy way would just be throw that over there, but I'm going to get nervous. Why? It's going to be negative x squared. I don't really know how to deal with that. So unpopular opinion, sorry. I'm going to move everything on the right over to the left. Okay, because if you try to move this 4x squared over, you're going to get negative x squared. And could you handle it? Maybe. All right, but I'm not confident in my ability there. I like it when it's positive. So it's not that much of extra work, but hey. So I move it over, I get x squared. Move the 3x over, I get negative 3x, and move the 2 over, I get positive 2. And now hopefully you guys are good with factoring this now. I'll give you a second, play around, find those 2 magic numbers. $10 again.
It's x minus 2.
And
X minus 1.
you got it.
What did I say?
2 answers, 2 and 1.
Nah.
Everybody good? Ready to roll? Last one. I know you're devastated. All right, convert for me first. It's by itself. Got it. Convert. Also, I don't know if anybody ever, don't try to factor first either. Convert. Get it by itself, then convert. Who's going to help me convert? 15. Howie, going deep. How you doing, by the way?
Good. How are you?
Good. Great. Go ahead. Ready?
Yeah. You would do
What's your base?
2.
Oh, that's your, remember, on this side is your exponent.
Okay.
The base is whatever the subscript is, which is what?
X plus 6.
Okay, x plus 6, and then I'm going to raise all that to the what?
Squared.
Exponent, good, 2. And then what's you said it equal to? What do you got left?
2x squared.
Yeah.
Minus 7x.
Yep. Good work. There it is. All right, come on. I've done whatever I could here. Left side. How do I treat the left side here? X plus 6 all squared. Come on, show me something here. 2, Alexis, show me something. Just how do you deal with it? Thank you. You don't put the squared inside. It's just x plus 6 times itself. Take a look, x squared. You should have gotten 12x in the middle. 12x in the middle, 36 on the outside. So that's what I get when I double distribute that. And then you're going to move over. Which side should I move over here? Left side, yep. Make sure you get a positive x squared. All right, so somebody's going to move over to that left side for me and let me know what I'm at left with. Ready? 9.
Oh, that's me.
Great.
X squared.
Uh-oh, here we go. Big numbers coming up.
X squared minus 19.
Ooh.
Minus 12.
Ooh. There you go. Multiply to negative 20, but add to negative 19. It's rare we use these numbers.
Am I doing that?
No. Just wait for people to think about it. Yeah. Ones, 11. Hi.
Hi.
We've done this already, so go ahead.
X plus 1 and x minus 20.
What was it again?
X plus 1
Oh,
and
yeah.
x minus 20.
There you go. Negative 20 and plus 1. It's kind of rare that we use the number and 1, but that's what it. 5 and 4 don't work. 10 and 2 don't work. It's got to be 20 and 1.
What did you get?
But I just thought.
They group it instead, which is another method. Are we all good? Whew, I know that was a tough one, right? Hey, let's finish off the week. Get into break tomorrow. Come on in. Just get after it, and you can worry about your break.